Hi, hello, how are you, students? I hope all of you are fine, and I wish that. Welcome to Vadivel Vadhiyar YouTube channel and your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. In this class, we are going to discuss about criteria for congruence of triangles. Okay, students, criteria for congruence of triangles. In the last class, we have discussed about the congruence concept, right? Two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal, right? This is the basic condition for the congruence of triangles. Two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides, all three sides, and corresponding angles, all three angles are equal, right? So there are three sides and three angles, right? Total six conditions are there. All six should be equal. Then only we can say these two triangles are congruent, right? But now in practice, it's not required to check all the six conditions, right? This criteria is reducing our work. Okay, there are some four types of criteria available. In every criteria, you can simply check only three conditions. If three conditions are matched, if three conditions are satisfied, other three conditions will automatically satisfy. Okay, so by checking only three conditions, we can confirm the given two triangles are congruent or not, right? Now let us see the criteria one by one, right, students? Okay, so the first criteria is yes, yes, yes. Triple S means side, side, side. Here all three sides should be equal. Okay, this criteria is called as side, side, side criteria. Okay, side, side, side criteria. Okay, so here all three sides should be equal. Okay, for example, let us take one triangle ABC and another triangle DEF. Okay, here all three sides should be equal, means side AB is equal to side DE and side AC is equal to side DF and side BC is equal to side EF, right? So now you can see these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal, and these two sides are equal, right? These two triangles are congruent, right? We can write AB is equal to DE and AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF and BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF, right? These two triangles are congruent by, we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by yes criterion. Clear, students? Right. Now let us see the second criteria. Okay. Here also we are going to check only three conditions. Okay. The second criteria is the SAS. Okay. SAS. This is side, angle, side. Okay. We can write side, angle, side criterion. Okay, here two sides should be equal and the angle between these two sides should be equal, right? When we are when we are drawing a triangle, you can see here, this is triangle ABC and this is triangle DEF, right? Here two sides and the angle in between the two sides. You can see here AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF, right? Two sides are equal and the angle formed between these two equal sides here and here, angle B and angle E should be equal. Okay, if these three conditions are satisfied, other things will automatically be satisfied, so we can conclude that the given two triangles are congruent. Clear, students? So you should be careful. The angle when you are seeing, it should be in between these two lines. Okay, two equal lines, not the other angles, right? Okay, now we can write AB is equal to DE and BC is equal to EF and angle B is equal to angle E, right? Now these three conditions are satisfied. So triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is equal to, is congruent to triangle DEF by which rule? SAS criteria. By SAS criterion. Okay, clear, students? So next we are going to see the next one is the ASA rule. Okay, ASA means angle side angle. Okay, angle side angle criterion, right? Here also two angles and the side in between those two angles, right? You can see here the side is in between, here angle is in between, right? So let's make the drawing. Triangle A, B, C and another triangle D, E, F, right? Here you can see angle side angle. Okay, say let us say this angle, angle B and angle E are equal. Okay, let's take like this, and angle A and angle D are equal. Okay, now two angles are equal and if the side connecting these two angles, that is side AB and side D is equal, then we can say these two triangles are congruent. Clear, students? So this side AB and side D is equal. Okay, now you can write angle A is equal to angle D and angle B is equal to angle E and side AB is equal to side DE, right? So these three conditions are fulfilled. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA congruent rule. Clear, students? Okay, we can write hence triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA criterion. Clear, students? Now let us see the fourth one. Okay, fourth one is the RHS. Okay, I think we can take here. Okay, right. RHS. RHS is the right angled hypotenuse side. Okay, one is right angled, second one is hypotenuse, third one is side. Okay, RHS is the right angled hypotenuse side. Okay, this is applicable for the right angled triangles. Okay, let's draw two right angled triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Okay, for the right angle, here this is the symbol of right angle. Okay, you can see here these two angles are equal, right? And this is the hypotenuse. These two hypotenuse should be equal, and another side, third one is the side, right? Any one side, say the base, is equal, right? If these three conditions are fulfilled, we can say these two triangles are congruent. Clear, students? So we can write here angle B is equal to angle E, and hypotenuse AC is equal to hypotenuse DF, and side BC is equal to side EF. Right? Now, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by RHS criteria. Right, students? So we have seen four types of criteria, right? One is SSS. Here, side, side, side means all three sides should be exactly equal, right? And here, second one, SAS, side, angle, side. Okay, two sides and the angle in between that two sides are equal, means these two triangles are congruent. And third is the ASA, angle, side, angle. Two angles and the side included in the two angles, right, are equal, means we can say these two triangles are congruent, right? And the fourth one, RHS, right angle hypotenuse side. Okay, if the hypotenuse and one another side and the right angle are equal, means these two triangles are congruent. Clear, students? I hope you understood well, right? In case if you have any doubts, you are free to write to your Vadivel Vadhiyar in the WhatsApp number given in the video. Right, students? The handout for this lesson is attached in your learning platform along with this video. Okay, the link to your learning platform Vadivel Vadhiyar is given under this video. Just click the link and visit the website vadivel-vadhiyar.com, and you can watch this video, as well as there is a PDF file attached with this video for your study purpose. You can download that, go through that, and attach with your mathematics notebook. Also, there is a practice question given for you to work out by yourself, and the answer is also given. Right, students? Make use of it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video and hype the video, and share it to your friends and classmates so everyone can get benefited by your learning platform vadivel-vadhiyar.com. See you in the forthcoming lessons. students. Until then, bye bye.